After the network has been established, we need to install the DDs or import the DD binaries into the Devcom database. The DD acts as the device driver. The Devcom renders the user interface based on the DD and talks with the device making use of the Hart commands as defined by the Hart Foundation, FieldCom Group. Under the DD menu, select Add DD. Here we can define the path to the DD files. Using the Browse button, you can either directly paste the path or navigate to the location. Optionally, you may add a label to the DD. And that is all. The DD has been imported successfully.